Okay, we're over in the Congress kitchen, and we're going to show you how to assemble and disassemble the dishwasher. Start by putting the plugs in it. One thing you need to notice, in here you'll see there's a number 1 written on the right here, written on the thing there, and there's a 1 on the plug. So this plug, you can have a look at it, goes in here. Again, hang it over. Plug number 2 is this one here, and this hangs in this way. Make sure you put them over that metal bar. That way it goes in correctly. And the third plug is there. Right. The next is the grating. Start at this end, and the 2 deep ones here, make sure they've been rinsed. So at the end of the night, these have to be pulled out and washed. The same with the curtains that are hanging down, and of course these. It's the same system as in the other kitchen, where you unlatch it here and it comes off quite easily. And you're putting it on, in, and then latch. So don't be afraid. Sometimes you need to move it around a bit, but it'll always go back in, and it's pretty hard to break it. Just don't force it. I've ordered. Yep. You see again. It's like a little jigsaw puzzle, but always those ones that have got a little little corner cut out of them. They go around the central pipes here. Be aware of these gratings here are the flat ones, they're not the deep ones. Yeah. And then it's a question of shutting up the doors. You have all 3. Turn it on there, and fill it there. These are the 3 tanks. They'll start filling one after another. If they don't fill in a certain, you can see it starting to saying that it is full, then what will be wrong is that one of the plugs will be not in correctly. So go back and check it. But apart from that, that's how you do it. At the end of the night, it's the other way. Don't forget to take all of these curtains down and give them a good wash.